good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching the video from. Okay. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to get funded with nairatrader Pro Firm. You understand? It's a Nigeria Pro Firm, right? Right. So they has up to 800K in funding, right? So that's just it. Now let's scale him. So I'll give you more details about it. And all you just need to do is to register your account with the unique registration link that will be in the description on this video. Then proceed, right? So you will be getting a discount if you use my unique registration link to register your account. If you understand. It said choose your trading account, right? There's instant next phase, instant KYC, fast payouts, right? So what is happening here is this. There's two-step challenges, right? It's two-step challenges, but this is a kind of a free account that you can scale up, right? So this one that is showing trending means like it's a lot of accounts that a lot of people do normally get because as easy as it's 8,900 can get a 200K account. You understand? Which is for the phase one, you target 10%, then the phase two, you target 10%, right? This phase one, 10% means it's just a 20K. You understand? If you get the account, you trade and hit a 20K, right? So you can request the next phase. You understand? You can request the next phase, they will give you the other phase because it is two-step challenge. Then once you pass the phase two, then they will give you the funded account, which is same thing, right? And the maximum loss, it does not have a minimum daily loss or something, but it just have a maximum loss, right? The maximum loss is 40%. Simply means you will not be losing more than 40K, right? You will not be losing more than 40K. If you ask me, I would say it's very, very good, right? Because it's kind of easy to start with. You understand? If you're in Nigeria, it's kind of easy to start with, right? So the payout it usually take 5 minutes. It does not waste time, right? It does not. It's not that kind of program that you need to wait for 7 days. Wait for So the daily loss they did not have a limit on daily loss. Minimum trading days they does not have a limit, right? You can get the account today and still get funded today. Depends on your trading. If you hit the target and all the stuff request on the phase one, you hit just like that. Do you understand? Period unlimited. They does not have you need to pass the account in 5 days or something, right? So the weekend, yes, 100%. You can hold trade through weekend as well. Do you understand? The reward is 80%. Do you understand? The reward that is if you make a $10,000 now, let's just say okay, you make a $10,000, your reward there is 80%. Just like that, just like that. Do you understand? And the fees is 8,900. If you use my unique registration link to register your account to get an account, you'll be getting a 20% discount off, right? So that is that. While the 400K account, this is the 200K account, same thing apply on both of them, right? So the 400K account is just 18,500 naira. You understand? Just like two years of this, right? So this one you have more room, you understand, kind of more room to trade because of the maximum loss and all those stuff, right? So that's the difference between this and this. Same thing apply the maximum loss 10%, the phase one, the phase one 10%, the maximum loss 20%, payout 5 minutes average, daily loss no limit, minimum trading days no limit, period unlimited, weekend yes you can hold as well 100%. Then the reward is 80% as well, So and it's one time fees, right? And it's refundable is refundable, right? So that's just it. And if you use my unique registration link to register your account, you'll be getting a 20% discount off. And please, what you need to do for me, if you are new here, you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. So I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, right? So that once I dropped an amazing video like this, you will be the first that YouTube will send a notification that I've dropped a video, right? So let's go back to the 600K account, right? This is a 600K account. Said the phase one, same thing, target 10%. Then the phase two, 10%, maximum loss 20%, payout average 5 minutes, daily loss no limit, minimum trading days no limit, period unlimited, weekend yes 100%. You can hold your trade while reward 80% as well. To get a 600K account is just 28,000 naira. But if you use my unique registration link, you will be getting a 20% discount off on every account you get, right? So the best value here is 800K. Do you understand? It's a 800K account, which is 38K. You understand? Which is 38,000 naira. You can use the 38,000 naira to get a 800K account. And this one can give you a good room to trade. You understand? Just the maximum loss there on 800K account, I think is 320,000 naira. You understand? So it's very, if you ask me, I would say it's very, very good, right? So that is it. And everything applied. The maximum loss 20%, the minimum trading days, you know, no, like everything apply on same stuff, right? So that's just it. And you can pay with transfer. Just once you click on any account you want to get, then we automatically give you an account number. Then once you make the payment to the account, then they give you your login details. So you just log in. You have to log into MT5 and start trading. That's just it. Now let's look at the own page and stuff. So let's navigate into. So let me. He said over 1.4 billion payout from phase one to funded within 24 hours. This simply means if you if you get the account today and you pass the phase one and the phase two today, you get funded that same day. Do you understand? This does not have you need to trade for at least like 5 minimum trading days. No, this is kind of different. This is one thing I love about Naira Trader. Do you understand? You can get everything done on that same day, right? He said you seen everything. Reward 1.4 billion. These guys are doing very good job here. You understand? He said the pioneer of Naira-based prop trading and the firm that simplified trading to just two rules with 20% maximum loss. If you ask me, I would say they are very, very good. No consistent rule, no maximum daily loss, no hidden rules, no minimum minutes trading day. No, like you don't have to say okay it must be 5 days, it must be a week, it must be 3 days. No, this one is just there as well. He said we made it possible to buy and trade prop firm account in naira, giving more traders the chance to start earning. Do you understand? So if you have 8,000, if you look at the industry now, there is no prop firm that you can get as low as 8,500 naira. That 8,500 naira is just kind of equivalent to like maybe $5. You understand? It's $5 there, but so you kind of seen that all these people are very, very good, right? He said Naira Trader Reward proudly paid to Sabi traders. Like they pay to people that know how to trade, right? So if you prove your skills that you know how to trade, definitely you get funded and you get payout. You understand? The total reward they have disbursed to traders is 1.4 billion. Do you understand? Repayouts verified. Repayout. These people don't do any bullshit, right? So they pay real does. So that's it. So he said, we sabi. He said, if you sabi trade, we sabi pay sharp. Like you understand, if you know how to trade, all these people are ready to pay you your money, right? So no hidden rules. He say he say we have a special place for sabi traders. Since we copy trade, we have never had payout issue making us reliable. You understand? So one thing I love about these people, if you go on any place, you search for these people, you will not ever seen any account, any payout that is being denied. Do you understand? If you pass the challenge, they give you a funded account and you make the money, you get boom, you get a request, then you get a payout. That's just it. Okay. So they are very, very good and legit if you ask me. So this is the choose your trading account. This is the other way we go through just now. Then and just choose any of the accounts you needed, then and start trading. He said trusted by 68,500 plus trader. Wow, this is amazing. Do you understand? This is the certificate of people that has been getting paid, right? So getting payout, and there has a lot of trust pilot review. So these people are very, very good. If you ask me, they are very, very good. If you are a trader and you are not trading with Naira Trader, you are missing a lot, right? No daily drawdown, and you have 20% maximum drawdown. Like I am blown away with how fast their payout was done. I will recommend Naira Trader every day. Like, and this is a someone that Mustafa. This is a person FS trader that that gave a review on them. So if you ask me, these people are very, very good, right? So now we have looked at the home, how to buy an account and all those stuff. Now let's go to that is the dashboard if you want to register your account and all those stuff. Now let's look at the rules. The rules. You understand? So now we need to look at the rules, right? He said the prop firm with just two simple rules. He said we remove the noise from the traditional prop firm trading. Trade freely, follow the essential and focus on getting funded. Verify and paid, right? He said view faster, just he said we pay within 5 minutes, right? These people don't hold you like hold your money, they always pay you once you pass the challenge and all those stuff. He said yes, that is all it takes for you for your hazard to shake. Trading profit and affiliate commission are paid instantly or within 5 minutes. So keep the request coming because as you sabi trade, you sabi pay, right? Just like if you're in Nigeria, you suppose you would have like know this English very well. If you sabi trade, you sabi pay. Like if you know how to trade, we are always ready to pay you your money. Right, so we don't hold your money or something like that. So now let's look at the other way around. He said less noise, more freedom. 98% less noise, more freedom. Traditional pro firm trading removes so trader can focus on the two things that matters. Profit target 10%, maximum trading day, right? So everything is just kind of easy, right? Like everything. He said, rules and targets, everything you need to stay active and move forward. Our process 100% automated, no manual review, no human error. Like everything is active. Then the rules that those people do normally accept is that they don't accept scalping. Do you understand? They don't accept scalping like from 1 to 2 minutes scalping. No, all these people prohibited. If you want to kind of trade, if you want to scalp, at least let it get to like 10 minutes, like 10 minutes holding the trade, 5 minutes, not just entering the trade now within 1 to 2 minutes you already know that is a scalping. Do you understand? Now, that means you have violated the rules. He said we recommend holding trade for at least 2 minutes plus to avoid scalping violation, right? You need to avoid scalping violation. That's just it. These people are very, very good. I would like to use. So if you are new here, I would just advise you to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be dropping more valuable videos like this and back to back. And if you are a forex trader or a crypto trader, I will be dropping everything that concerns trading. Right. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure do well to use the unique link that is below on this description. You understand? And also don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I'll be dropping, I don't normally drop steady mentorship and everything is free. Everything is free. Signals and everything, how you pass the account and everything. Everything is totally free. You are not paying any money. So once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay. See you in the next video.